In this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream on YouTube with OBS for 5 plus hours. First, enable YouTube Live. Verify your channel in YouTube Studio. Streams longer than 12 hours won't save fully as a replay. Then, set up OBS. Go to Settings, go to Stream, then Service. Select YouTube RTMPS. Then, paste your YouTube stream key. Now, set OBS settings for long streams. Resolution 1080p or 720p if internet is weak. Now, select FPS 30 or 60. Select your bitrate. It could be 4,500 to 6,000 kbps to 180p or 2,500 to 4,000 kbps for 720p. Encoder, hardware, NVENC or AMD or Apple VT. And lastly, keyframe interval 2. Now, check your internet. Use wired internet for faster streaming. And lastly, open YouTube, then click Go Live. Then start streaming. Click Start Streaming in OBS, then go to YouTube, then click Go Live. And that's it. That's how to live stream on YouTube with OBS for 5 plus hours.